Hey there fellow gamers, welcome back to Gaming Basis. Do you guys want to secure your Marvel Snap account by linking it to your Google? If so, then this video is just for you and I'm gonna show you how to exactly do it. Once you're in your game, just tap on the gear icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Now from here, just scroll down a little bit until you see Link Account. Here you'll see an option to sign in with Google, just tap on it. Now the linking process has begun. Here, choose the account that you want to link your Marvel Snap account to. As you can notice, the sign in with Google button is little dim than before. That means your Marvel Snap account has been linked with your Google. So that's it on how to link your Marvel Snap account. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.